Okay, now that I have completed the installation of R, the next thing I'm going to do is download and install RStudio. So again, you need to download and install R first, and then you can talk about downloading and installing RStudio. So you'll type in RStudio into your search engine. The very first hit will be rstudio.com. And from here, we'll go down to the products and select RStudio. Okay, RStudio is a development environment that allows us to work with R in a bit of a more convenient way. There's a lot of nice features that allow for us to work with R. So we're going to choose RStudio Desktop, and that will scroll down. And what we are going to do is we're going to select the open source edition, which is free. So we're going to click Download RStudio Desktop. And when I do that, once again, there's another place. We're going to just choose the free version again, and that scrolls us down further to the page. And here it tries to detect what kind of system we have. We have a Windows system, and so we'll just go ahead and click this button. Or if you want to select any of these things here, we're going to just go ahead and click this. All right, and so it's going to start the download. RStudio 1.4 is the current version, and again, we'll allow it to download here. Okay, so the download is complete here, and I should be able to click it in just a moment. Something happened. Let's go ahead and open up my downloads here. I just hit Command J, and I'm just going to go ahead and click this button to start it up. So once that file has downloaded, it should start up. There we go. Do we want to allow this to make changes to our machine? Yes, we'll go ahead and do that. It looks like I accidentally opened two versions of this, so I'm going to just cancel one of these. Okay, but this one, we're going to go ahead and go through the RStudio setup. We'll just click next a few times. All right, and we'll allow it to install. Okay, so I think it has finished, and so we'll just go ahead and click Finish. All right, and so now if I go to my Start menu, we can scroll down to RStudio, and we can select RStudio. And RStudio will get started here. Takes a moment. Okay, here is RStudio. It has a few of my files already open here, but it will get started like this, and once you have RStudio installed, you can start a new script file or a new notebook, and we'll look at installing a couple important packages next.